Don't burn the butter. Next comes the basil. Butter, black walnuts, garlic, basil, tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes, and we got a great pasta dish for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We're going to add some cream to this, some heavy whipping cream. Yeah. Putting a little heavy whipping cream in there. Added some mushrooms for texture. Now this is where we add our sauce to our pasta. Again, that's Kerrygold butter, black walnuts, tomatoes, chopped basil, fresh basil, garlic, and you can hear that sizzle. We're going to have to stir that around. This is one of my favorite pasta dishes. We also added some cream, a little bit of just a pinch of salt, some crushed red pepper, and now we're going to serve it on in a lovely bowl. So what you want to do is just really scrape those black walnuts right out of that pan and onto your pasta. I love black walnuts. My favorite nut is a black walnut. So good. Okay, now we're going to put some Parmesan cheese on there. You just want to take and shred some Parmesan cheese over those nuts. Nothing like Parmesan cheese over black walnuts on top of a pasta dish. My favorite is thick spaghetti. I like it really nice and thick. Okay. Ooh-wee. This is some hard cheese. Some people leave their Parmesan cheese out on the counter, but I put mine in the refrigerator so it can stay cold until I'm ready to use it. Okay, now we're going to put a little bit of fresh parsley over the top of that, just to give it a little greenery. Hopefully this is open, and it is. See, just sprinkle some parsley over the top of that to make it pretty. And there you have a lovely pasta dish. You can have it for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner. All right. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. We appreciate you being here at Coretha's Corner. Have a great day. This is one of my favorite bowls. Look at all that. So good.